My name is Kate Quartet-papafio. I'm the CEO of the Reroy group of companies. In the industry where we are with men dominated, the fact that you are able to meet people's needs makes you happy. It makes you feel part of the economy. It makes you feel part of movement. We went and bought some from the market, and we realized that we weren't having the whole complete set of cables that will give us what we were looking for. So we decided to import the cables ourselves. We decided to import more. We sold some, we used some, and other people were also pressing where we got them, and so we started by importing. Eventually we decided to actually add value because people were looking for different types of cables. So that actually also triggers us to say that, well, if people are asking of different type of cables, why don't we add value by bringing in semi-finished? So that is where we started with machineries, to bring in the semi-finished, to add value, and to research about how we can expand the scope of cables in the industry. Over the years, Reroy cables have grown from cables into the supply chain, where we have the Reroy Power that looks after the accessories of the cables, and then also we have Reroy Metal and the Reroy Energy. We're looking at the energy in terms of renewables. We're looking at metals where you can get your copper and aluminium. We are also looking at the power where you can get the accessory in terms of transformers and the accessory to give you the power. The turning point of Reroy is when we started exporting to Europe. I will say that the fact that our product is being accepted in Europe and in the sub-region has really leveraged and add value to Reroy. We believe in quality. Our workers, our engineers, our quality control, they are all high standards engineers and high standards employees that we have. We also believe absolutely in innovations. I would say that, for instance, in the recent floods really hit us a lot, because where our warehouse is, that is where you have to really look at and bounce back and say that, well, listen, you are not going to let any disaster get over you. Look at the way forward, move on, and think about the future. Look at how best you can add value to what you have, and don't let anything at all pull you back. In every business, we are looking forward to make up profits. There's more room for expansion, and it comes with costs. Reroy Cables actually exports 70% basically outside. We also, in terms of employee size, we've grown about 20%. We are looking at expanding our growth into other parts of this sub-region. Currently we are doing West Africa. We are looking at Central Africa. We are looking at, in fact, even South Africa, where we can expand our scope more. We are looking forward to be part of the growth of the economy and the continent of Africa. In terms of growth, we haven't catching up at all. There's room for expansion. So let's look at how best we can improve our industries, how we can leverage on the raw materials that we have to expand the scope of job creation and to sustain it, especially in our regions.